What's up, guys? This is my updated bike check of the Fit M3. Starting off here at the top, I got Duo Barnes, ODI long neck grips, and the exposure brake lever. I got Colt Death Row V2 bars and a Colt stem. I got an Odyssey integrated headset, and I got Odyssey CS2 race forks. And I got Odyssey hazard light laced to an animal jab and head. Moving on over here to the middle, I got Odyssey twisted PCs, demolition revolver, and then I got Fit stock sprocket with, and right here I got a stolen shackle chain. I got a duo seat with a federal seat post. In the back I got Odyssey hazard light laced to an Odyssey V3 hub. And then I got Will Breeding B Monster in the back and the Dirt Monster in the front. Odyssey 8 brake pads. Okay. And I got an animal light peg and a BSD hub guard. And then over here I got an animal peg and a G-Spill going hardware. And I had a demolition on the back. And that's all much. And thanks for watching.